Hello, I'm Debra and I'm from Cullman County Public Library. I'm going to read a book called The Wonderful Thing About Hiccups. It's by C.C. Ming. The wonderful thing about hiccups is that they make people laugh. I noticed this during story time at the library. Libraries are ordinarily quiet places. The wonderful thing about quiet places is that they make loud hiccups sound even louder. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. My little sister says that very loud hiccups sometimes go away when you hang upside down and drink water. You are not allowed to do this in the library, though. The wonderful thing about hanging upside down in a tree is that you never know what you might find hiding in the branches. I found a hippo. The wonderful thing about finding a hippo in a tree is that it is a big surprise. Big surprises are the best way to get rid of big hiccups. Hippos are the very best way to carry your library books. The wonderful thing about having a hippo carry your library books is that he can hold them high enough so that they will not get wet in the sprinklers. Little sisters, on the other hand, get wet quite easily. The wonderful thing about little sisters is that they dry off quickly when your hippo blows and blows and blows. It is not so wonderful when your library books blow away. The wonderful thing about flying books is that they eventually land. There's nothing wonderful about having them land in a yard with a giant dog. I suggest having a giant hippo to help you. Though holding on to library books while riding a scared, running hippo is hard. The wonderful thing about dropping library books while riding a scared, running hippo is that hippos are good at catching them before they fall into the dirt. Little sisters, on the other hand, fall into the dirt quite easily. There is nothing wonderful about an angry little sister, especially when her yelling scares your hippo right into an ice cream cart. Flying ice cream is a wonderful way to share with everyone in the neighborhood. Library books do not make wonderful plates. The wonderful thing about having an ice cream party is that you get to watch the hippo eat 10 scoops in a row. Do not let him hold your library books while doing this, though. He may accidentally swallow them. There's nothing wonderful about swallowed library books. There is nothing wonderful about a hippo with a bellyache. And there is nothing wonderful about a humongous hippo burp that shoots your little sister into the air like a rocket. Standing on a hippo is a wonderful way to look for a little sister. It is not so wonderful when you have to explain to the librarian why your little sister is stuck on the roof of the library. The wonderful thing about librarians is that they are great at rescuing little sisters. Some librarians may forget to tell you they're afraid of high places. Jumping down from high places is wonderful only if you use a hippo belly as a landing cushion. The wonderful thing about belly bouncing on a hippo is that if you are lucky, you just may bounce your library books right out of his mouth. The wonderful thing about getting library books back is that you finally get to read them. Hippos are great listeners, although they may ask you to read their favorite book over and over and over and over again. Finished library books are to be returned on time. The wonderful thing about returning your books to the library on time is that you can prove to your mother that you really are ready for your own library card. And what's so wonderful about that? If your hippo gets the hiccups during story time, you may just find the cure in a book. Library rules to remember. Do not get books wet, as in keep them out of sprinklers, rainstorms, swimming pools, bathtubs, and definitely the toilet. Only books with wings, books shot from cannons, books on rocket ships and airplanes, or books belonging to space aliens are allowed to fly. Keep them out of the dirt and away from mean dogs. Do not eat strawberry ice cream, noodles, fresh broccoli, birthday cake, or any other kind of food off them. Do not feed them to strange animals. Do not feed them to your little sister. When you are done, return them to the library so you can check out more books. Do not return them to the grocery store, pet store, or toy store. Never return them to space aliens. Always thank librarians. You never know when you may need their help.